Finally, Olori Ashley confessed how Iyalaje Oòduà, Ooni of Ife's sisters, and her sent Queen Naomi out of the palace of Ile-Ife. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you according to your time and according to the time you are seeing this video. How are you doing? I hope you are good. My lovely people, I just want to use this opportunity to appreciate you. Thank you so much for being part of this channel. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. Guys, these people, these Oloris, they are something else. Ashley, thank God that the thing is getting on her right now. The thing don't they touch her body. You know, say you get as things will happen. You can no longer help yourself than to open mouth and confess so that you know that whether the confession will help, as in, will make that person that dislikes you to like you again. But it's too late for her. It's too late. Anyway, guys, according to what we heard, you know that Ashley have been complaining. She have been complaining. She went to her elders and told them what Kabiyesi is doing to her, that Kabiyesi no longer look at her. But Kabiyesi doesn't ask her, are you a woman again? Do you have the other one inside of you? Kabiyesi no dey even touch her again. And she was like, the thing is getting on her. The thing is really beating her. Hitting her like heat. Okay. So when Kabiyesi was asked why he's no longer touch Ashley, Kabiyesi said that it's not as if he's not touching Ashley or he doesn't want to touch Ashley, that since the very beginning, since the first time he heard that Ashley was the reason why, it's not just he heard, he noticed that Ashley was the reason why Queen left the palace. Ashley lied against him, against Queen Naomi. And why Ashley have to do that is because Ashley have been friends with Kabiyesi. She have been in the palace. So just imagine, Ashley have been in the palace for so many years now. Kabiyesi wanted to marry. Kabiyesi went and married Queen Naomi. Queen Naomi came in and took Ashley as a friend, not knowing that Ashley is not a friend, that Ashley dislike her, that Ashley have been eyeing Kabiyesi for Kabiyesi to marry her, but Kabiyesi did not marry her. Because of that, Queen Naomi took her as friend, but she turned out to be Queen Naomi's enemy, showing Queen Naomi that she's her friend, but she's an enemy. Queen Naomi did not know until one day that Queen Naomi later knew. Okay, since then she had been showing Queen Naomi the stuff she's made of. Coming to Iyalaje Oòduà. Iyalaje Oòduà, her own is that Kabiyesi like that woman to be doing. I think Kabiyesi was the one that gave him that Iyalaje. Yes, I think Iyalaje means somebody that is that is somebody that is fruitful, somebody that is all this like heroine, people that make positive impact to the growth of the kingdom. I think that is the reason. That is the Iyalaje, what it means. So Kabiyesi was the one that made her the Iyalaje. And she came into the palace. She have been in the palace, so she came into the palace. When Kabiyesi wanted to marry, she started presenting her own daughter to Kabiyesi. Unfortunately, Kabiyesi did not love her daughter. Okay. Because Kabiyesi did not love her daughter maybe was not attracted to Kabiyesi. Because of Kabiyesi now married Queen Naomi, she now hates Queen Naomi because Kabiyesi did not marry her own daughter. Number two. As in, why I'm saying this is because these are the three bodies. Will I call them bodies? Be people. Why I'm saying bodies is because Kabiyesi sisters is not just one person. They are the three main set of people that frustrated Queen Naomi out of the palace. Okay, Kabiyesi's sisters, their own is that they want false benefit, fake benefit. Will I call it fake benefit? Because when Kabiyesi want to celebrate his birthday, when Kabiyesi have not married, Kabiyesi will call them and give them big amount of money to prepare his birthday. And they will prepare it. After preparing it, they will be the one to carry out everything. They will keep the change. You know that kind of change, no be small change now. Kabiyesi married Queen Naomi. Queen Naomi came in. My people, let me ask this question. Is it supposed that as Kabiyesi married Queen Naomi, that Kabiyesi will continue to give his sisters money to plan his birthday? My answer is no. It's not supposed. I know that some of your answers will be no too. So, because of Queen Naomi did not give them the money to plan the birthday, they wanted to. In short, they were not happy with Queen Naomi. That is why, that is their own problem. Their own problem is that they don't even know what they want in life, because it's not that chicken change that they will be using to progress. Okay, this three set of people now, they started fighting against Queen Naomi. They started fighting. In short, Ashley's own is the worst. Kabiyesi married Queen Naomi, but Ashley did not want Queen Naomi to give birth for Kabiyesi. Ashley was putting family planning pills in Kabiyesi's food, in Queen Naomi's food. Ashley doesn't want Queen Naomi to come closer to Kabiyesi. Okay, look at Ashley is now complaining that the Oloris used Kayamata against her. Now Kabiyesi is saying that there's no Olori that used Kayamata on you. That it may be you that even used Kayamata on him, so that he will not love Queen Naomi. And that is why you were able to frustrate Queen Naomi out of the palace. Because that time you did that thing you did, Kabiyesi was saying, allegedly, that he did not go to inquire whether it is true or not. You just entered the car and he drove off with you. Are you not the one that used Kayamata on him? That if not for your Kayamata, he is supposed to go and check on Queen Naomi then to know what happened and why Queen Naomi said that she's not going again. So there's nothing to call elders about. So now, Olori Ashley, when complaining all of this thing, he's now saying that Kabiyesi is now blaming her in everything. That is it's not only her that did it. That she did it with Iyalaje Oodua, Queen Naomi's, Kabiyesi's sisters, and her. That is not only her. All of them teamed up together and they did it. It's not only her. And Kabiyesi was like, oh, so you're not telling us that it's not only you. We know that it's not only you, but you contributed the more. Because Queen Naomi came into this palace and saw you as a friend and took you as the best friend ever. It's not even friend, as a sister. But you turned out to be her enemy. And now you want me to come and love you. She was crying, saying that, Kabiyesi, if I ever travel back to UK, crying, that I'm not going to come back again. I will just stay there forever. And Kabiyesi was like, why are you telling me? That is what I want. Now go there. Kabiyesi actually have fed for Kabiyesi. And one thing about man is that if they start to hate you, you are being hated. You are being hated. John Nago is. Anyway, guys, don't forget that all of these are alleged information. Ashley, this is the beginning of your pain. You thought that taking away Kabiyesi from Queen Naomi is going to last forever. No. No evildoers go unpunished. No. So, guys, that is it. Thank you, and don't forget that they are alleged. Love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up and share it. Bye.